What up, Laker Nation? You here with your boy Kareem. How you guys doing? Man, I was busy today. I had a lot of run around. We had the show, The Beat 139. I need you guys to go support the channel, The Beat 139 on YouTube. We had a great interview today. Definitely need you guys to support that. And just go check the interviews. Go check out all our interviews. Subscribe. Hit that like button. But I want to talk about Frank Vogel. Frank Vogel has to get it done this year for the Lakers. Definitely with like his rotations, and he can't be in positions where he turning guys off. And this year was a mess as far as with him, clashing with a couple players. But if he's smart, um, the rotation. I ain't gonna say if he's smart. I apologize for saying that, but the rotation I would go with. I think, let's say, I think he should go with like a 10-man rotation. I think the Lakers should only sign two more guys. We got three spots. There's no need to sign three guys. You don't need to go in the season with 15 guys. 14 is good. You sign two guys. Leave your options open because anything can happen. And you don't have to cut guys on guaranteed contracts. But sign two more guys. And the two guys I like, I think, and the two positions I think we should fill is a small forward and a 4 and a 3, like a guy who could, not the big bulky centers, but a guy who could switch from like the 3 to the 4. I mean to the 4 to the 5. I'm sorry, from the 4 to the 5, and a 3, a wing, of more of a physical defender who could defend bigger guys. I ain't counting the wings like Bazemore, because to me Bazemore is 6'4", and he's a guard. But the guys I'm gonna identify is Harry Giles. I like him. A lot of energy. He can run the floor. He can block shots. He catch lobs. He's getting better. He's young. Ain't gonna be many minutes from him, but he maybe get some spot minutes here and there. But get to be around championship team. Also, I like Justice Winslow. He's physical. He's tough. He had a solid game. I just think that he could add a lot to this team, and he might could get, sneak and find some minutes for him because he'd be needed. And my if we can't get Justice Winslow, I like James Ennis. I like Glenn Robinson. At center, I like Ken Burke. I don't know what's up with Salabrini. I don't know what's up with him. I know he got hurt and he been out for like 2 years. But yeah, that's that. But Frank Vogel, the starting five I'll go with. Let's say if the Lakers go big. Starting five I'll go with Russ, Malik Monk, Braun, AD, and Dwight Howard. I do believe that will probably be the starting five. I think AD will start at the 4, Braun start at the 3. But I think AD will play most of his minutes at the 5. And off the bench, I bring to start the season. I go with the 10-man rotation to start the season. Then I cut it down to 5. Cut it down to 9. I say Kendrick Nunn. Maybe Kendrick Nunn, Wayne Ellington, Taylor Horton Tucker, Ariza, and Gasol, and Marc Gasol, and the two remaining guys will be left out right now. I say is Ken Bazemore, because I don't think he's gonna get many minutes. And who else? We have Ken Bazemore. Who else? We have 12 guys, I believe. Oh shit! I forgot Melo. I'm sorry. I say I forgot Melo. I say Kendrick Nunn, Taylor and Tucker, Melo, Ariza, and Marc Gasol. But you could either Ariza or Wayne Ellington. One of them is, will be able to, I interchange one of them. Wayne Ellington or Ariza. But I think that'd be a good solid rotation defensively. I think we'd be better than people think. But I want to talk about Chris Broussard. Let's get into Chris Broussard, right? Chris Broussard and Rob Parker was talking. They keep talking about age with the Lakers. The Lakers old, them guys old and fossil bones. They trying to be funny and things like that. But I disagree with Chris Broussard and Rob Parker. For one, age is just a number. So all 37-year-olds is not the same. So I heard him saying, oh, LeBron 37 and Melo 37 and Gasol 37. Let me tell you the difference. LeBron, you look at LeBron's body, look at the way he physically, not just like the muscles, this him, what he have left in his tank. Did LeBron decline some? Yes, he declined some. But LeBron's still one of the top players in the NBA. He's still a great player. And LeBron physically is more like he's 37, but I say Bron more like a 31-year-old. Bron is more like a 31-year-old guy who like getting like a little past his prime. I say Bron more like a 31-year-old physically. Melo is probably like he's 37. He probably like a guy that's like 34. Like his physically what he brings to the table. I give him a guy like 34 years old. Bazemore, I heard them brought up him with Bazemore 31, 32. Bazemore is equivalent to like a 27-year-old. He didn't play much. He's a role player his whole career. It's not like he burnt out or had a lot. He lost a lot through injuries and different things like that. Bazemore, I say, is more like a 27-year-old. Wayne Ellington always had pretty much the same game he had. He never was athletic. What they said, Ellington is 33 years old. So Ellington, Wayne is about, physically, I say about 29, 30. Because he just a spot up shooter. He don't really play much defense. He don't handle the ball that much. Wayne is more like a guy like 30, 31. Like, I mean, more guy like closer to 30. 30, 31. Yeah, something like that. Who else we got? Ariza probably like a 34 year because he lost a lot of athleticism. You could clearly see that. He's still a solid defender. He's still a solid 3-point shooter. So Ariza, they say he is 36, 37, whatever how old he is. I give him probably like 34, 35. Like he's kind of like, you can see if you want to say an old player. Okay, cool. Marcus Gasol, definite old player. Like, clearly he just like he on his last legs. Who else? That's about it. That's about it. Like far as if you want to say age and different things like that. Dwight Howard. Dwight Howard is what, 35? Dwight Howard is, to me, I could say guy like more like 29. Physically, Dwight more like 29. I say physically at that center position. Physically, Howard is more like 29 physically. And yeah, so I don't get what them guys saying. I disagree with they saying. And then also a lot of them guys not gonna be playing many minutes. Russ is like equivalent to a guy 28. Russ 32, but Russ more like a guy physically, a guy like 28 years old. So I disagree with they saying. Like I said, a lot of them guys going to be playing roles, 15, 18 minutes. Most of them guys going to be playing minutes like that. I'm saying like the older guys. So I disagree with they saying. I think the Lakers are in excellent position. So, yeah, there you have it. You guys tell me what y'all think about what I was talking about. Who would you like to see in the rotation? Do you think he should go with a 10? Frank was going 11-man rotation last year. I say he should start the season with a 10-man rotation, then maybe go down to maybe 9 around like March, April, early April, end of March. Like, subscribe. Peace. I'm tired. It's 1:15 in the morning. Um, like, subscribe, peace.